Today I'm joined by Colin and we're going to be discussing the rebranding of the MTD network in line with the MTD group. So the website, what's it all about?
First of all, I have to use a phrase that you use. I'm excited about this because it looks fantastic. It's in line with the rest of the group and it's a great way for engineers to promote themselves and also for buyers to get their work done, manufactured.
Okay. Let's start off. You've got a slider going across the screen. What's this?
That's just to highlight the latest and the most interesting, not that they're not interesting, but the most interesting articles we've got. So, there you go, yourself, Swarf and Chips, that's timely. Bedford CNC are coming up next. No, just interesting components, nice little stories and videos that we've got on the whole site. But you've got all of the videos and things because we've actually got a timeline now. So, for example, Clarent Precision there have just added a video, Sub CNC have just put on some capacity, and you've got a whole timeline quickly whizzing down there.
This is going to update on a daily basis, isn't it?
It's instant, so you can add that video and that'll be straight on the website.
Is that a video the company individually creates, or is that a video that we here at MTD
We do the
create?
videos for them, yes.
Right.
That's part of the customer package.
Okay.
Yep. Key to MTD Network is promoting engineers though, but also this part here where people can actually go to the website and say, I need this component manufactured. So a very easy system, machining quote. So you put in your name, company, well you can read what it says there, very simple. Add your file, I want this component manufactured. That will come.
So they're going to send you the drawings there, is
Yep.
that right?
Simple as that. Very simple. That comes to us. That goes out to the relevant engineers, whether it's milling, turning, EDM, whatever it may be. They then do the quotes and win the business.
Great.
It really is, it works really well. You'll see we'll come to cockpit in a minute, that's for the clients, how many quotes they've had over the last few months. So it's really, really working well. That's the homepage. You've also got what's trending. So these are the most popular stories, videos, capacity things. So they say EP Precision, they've got an immaculate machine shop, never seen anything like it. Obviously, very interesting to other engineers out there. So that's what's top of the list at the moment.
And the trending is all the views on the videos that we're producing.
Videos, news, whatever, any articles on here, whatever people are looking at, that is the top one at the moment. So we keep pushing out in our newsletters and things like that just to promote these guys and see which is most interesting.
Wow, okay.
Yep.
Going across to news at the top.
Yeah, news is essentially summary of all the news items. So you can see there GW Martin investing in plant. Wheelbar Components have actually manufactured their own stitching machine, and that's where I got mauled by their dogs. But so that's news from the guys. You then got videos, a summary of all the videos. So Clarent Precision there, you saw that on the homepage, but this is all the videos. You've then got essentially what we see as unique in the industry, which is capacity. So our engineers can advertise their own capacity. So I've just gone into, take a step back. You could choose, right, I need some work, so I need some boring doing, as an example.
You click on here.
Click on boring, Honal Precision, they specialise in boring, so you can contact them via, if you actually click on there. So
really, an engineering firm on a daily basis, they finished a job, oh, right, I want to promote what this machine is doing, I don't want it sitting there not cutting metal.
Yep.
Put it on there, potential for them getting more work than just sitting there not doing anything.
That's exactly it, yep. And it's very, very simple to use. Again, I'll come to that in a minute. You've then got the profiles for the engineers. So someone might want someone in a certain county, so you're local. They might want them by market, so I need some aerospace work, doing some petrochemical categories. So do I need high-speed milling, do I need EDM sparking, whatever it might be. Go in there, click on it, and it'll give an option of engineers, or you could search by keyword. So you can actually, if you know the engineer's name, type it in.
You're like the central hub, aren't you,
Yep.
for connecting everybody together?
That's exactly it. So it makes it simple for people to find engineers in certain specialities, but it makes it simple for people who want stuff manufactured, components manufactured, they can find the right source there.
Right.
That's a very quick oversight of the actual website, but what people don't see, unless you're a customer, is the cockpit in the background.
All right.
And our developers spent a lot of time getting this. I personally think it looks fantastic. Gives a little summary of what the guys are up to so you can see.
This is amazing.
Yep, that's how many quotes they've had over the last few months.
From us?
Yep, via the network, people have come to us and said, we need this manufactured, and that's gone to our engineers.
I think that's going to hit home for a lot of people watching.
Yep.
76 quote requests.
Yep.
And work that they're not spending, on a sales guy going out there or anything like that.
That's exactly it. Yep.
It's the right people looking at the right network at the right time.
Yep. And they're winning business. Some people said, are you a directory? Is this quote going out to thousands of people? No, it's not. It's going out to the right people so that they're going to good chance, and I know 8 guys for a fact are winning business out of it. So that's what we're here to do. These guys as well, sub-CNC, you can see they're first in the league. It actually picks up who has got the most listings. So these guys have got 21 listings, videos, news, capacity. So they've got a lot of stuff on there. They are first in the league.
So really, the more time you put into it, the more you're going to get out of it.
That's exactly it, yes.
That's what, yeah,
And it's very, and people say, oh, it's going to take a lot of time. But it's very, very simple. Up there you've got news, videos, capacities, easy to add. All 3 work in the same way. So if we go to news, for example, you can see here stuff they've added. All you do is add content, title, bit of text, next page, some images, just download, and then save it. And it's done.
Just goes out.
And that'll be straight on the home page. So
like on that slider or
yep,
anything. Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, great.
So done in sort of 20, 30 seconds, and you're on the home page, getting yourself out to the market. So there you go. That's it. It's as simple as that.
Thanks, Colin.
Thank you, Lindsay.